Alright, so these are the leftovers. This is the leftovers of my food. This is the leftovers. So I'm just gonna feed it to the dogs. I don't know what to do with it, so I'm just gonna feed it to the dogs. Hey, cool. Down. Sit down. Wait. What's the dog doing? Mocha, halika dito. That means Mocha, come here. That's the dog. That puppy right there. In the middle of the screen. That's Mocha. I'm Filipino, okay? Come here. Alright, you guys are waiting. Okay, wait here. Alright. Okay. Tiny, come here. Tiny. Kang Kang. I had no idea why his name Kang Kang. Alright. This is Tiny, large. And that's Kang Kang, and that's the Red Dog. That's Red Dog. I don't know why, but that's kind of confusing. Oh wait. Let's just feed the dogs. Kang Kang, come here. Alright. Wait. Hold on. Mocha. Hey. Doing. Wait. You had a couple. Okay, you've already had a couple of food. Okay, you've already had a couple of lunch. They always eat every day. Okay. Ready? Hey! Tiny! Stop it. Hey, stop it. You. They're already done. They're always so fast of eating. Like, literally. When it's lunchtime for them, but not mine. This is the dog bowl, which is massive because this here is a whole pack of dogs. And it literally took them like a few seconds or minutes to finish the food in here. So, yeah.